Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here, once again with another crazy video. Just wanted this little sort of square area. Got bike rental place there, Scotch corner. Not trying to steal music, I'm just simply walking past the post office there. Yeah, I've got to keep talking or I will get copyrighted. The granddad there. It is so loud one too. That used to be the Peaky Blinders bar there. That's going back years. Beach Rider. So quite happy today. I've just got myself booked in for the next tattoo. This one's going on my shoulder, so yeah. Gift shop there as well. Girl 64, some woman who can't wait to get past people. The West blade in place. The estate agents as well. So yeah, just on Avenida Mediterranean now. Gonna come round here. Signs for accessors accessors player, access to the beach. Then you've got shopping centre Rincon and an English beach access. So this is just like little square area. You've got Tony Silver. Another great gift shop. The fabulous Butterfields there. Great scooter shop. They have lost the part for scooter so yeah. Tattoo Central as well. Great tattoo shop. Best in Benidorm. You've got Go to Casablanca, think it's like an estate agent's a shop for sale. Yeah, I think that's for sale. And the fountain's on. First time in a while that's been on. Makes you want to read, don't it? Gonna head on down this way now, down past Pedro's fish pedicure place and fish spa. There it is, guys. There's the pricing as well. Very reasonable. Tons of hennas as well. So yeah. Pop in and see Pedro if you're looking for like a fish pedi. Best place in Benidorm. And a new bar and restaurant. Med 64, I want to say it's called. Oh, they're 2 numbers off. Med 66. Or the ice cream there, looking nice. Another gorgeous day here in Benidorm. Think we will be trying to head back now because Scooter Sue has got alive again. The sort of main thing on the med, the statue down there in the rink on him. Bit of a weird statue, that, to be honest, but I hope it's Benidorm, ain't it, guys? Everything is weird and wonderful in Benidorm. Yeah. Amigo 24. Plenty more gift shops as well on your way to the beach. Gonna end the video here because we've seen some Mike's been after for a while. Smash the like, smash the subscribe, see you soon.